and even yung mga nabanggit ko before na mga possible involved din po sa mga crimes na nababanggit mo doon. Paano lang kung magiging papel pa rin ng DILG dito sa paano ginagawa lang ng PNP in the first place sa mga possible people, especially hindi tayo member nga na
So
ICC?
we are all aware na meron ng pinangalan na co-conspirator. But wala pang warrant of arrest. So wala kaming actionable document. However, we are tracing the people already kung nasan sila. Those named, except for one na namatay na. But we are already tracing them kung nasan sila para in the event na kailangan, masanda na kami kung anong gagawin namin.
Just for the record, all of those na tinitrace nyo are in the Philippines pa rin po ba?
We are getting all the records. We should have them by this week. I think 2 are abroad eh. 2 nasa Amerika. Pero makuha at makuha yan.
Sino po?
Well, I'll get you the full details next week. Pag basta makuha ko na.
Okay.